Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to teach you how to run the DeepSeek R1 locally with Ollama. So artificial intelligence is transforming the way we interact with the technology, and the LLMs are the front for this revolution. While the AI services are powerful, running models locally offers significant advantages including privacy, speed and the cost efficiency. Like for example, if you are dealing with the finance of records, defense record, medical related records or pharmaceutical records, these records are very sensitive, so running it on the live environment, it's always a challenging and the privacy concerns. So the DeepSeek R1 uh, R1 locally running that, it will be very beneficial for such kind of this sensitive information. So in this guide we will explore how to run the DeepSeek R1 and advanced open source LLM locally using the Ollama. This setup allowed the developers and the AI enthusiasts to harness the power of the DeepSeek R1 without relying on the cloud API. So, first of all, let's say why should we run the LLM locally? As I said, the data privacy is the main concern, lower latency, so we don't have a network delays. When we run it on a live environment, it may have a slow responses, but when you are running it locally, it will not have a network delays. Responses are generally very instant. The full control, you will have the full control over the data. You can modify, fine tune and integrate models into your workflow without any kind of restrictions. The cost is very low. So why particular Ollama? So Ollama is an easy to use tool that enables running a large AI models on a personal computers. It provides the pre-packaged model support, cross-platform compatibility, optimized performance. So here we should first start with the terminal. Okay, so how you can install the Ollama in your computer depending on the computer system. I'm using Mac, so I will use the Mac OS command line on these tutorials. But if you are using the Linux or Windows, you can just follow this website which I give in the description and just follow the download option as per your compatibility here. Okay, so without wasting much time, let's start the terminal commands. Here I open the terminal. I can show you which Mac OS version I'm using. So I'm using Monterey version 12.6 7.6. Okay, so first command is brew install Ollama Ollama. So the command has been started installing the data. Let's wait for a while. So after the Ollama is installed, we need to start the Ollama service. So let's start the Ollama service first by writing the command Ollama and here we go. So once we write the Ollama serve command, it will start the Ollama service. Then we need to open the new terminal window. So in macOS, let me run command and it opens a new terminal. In a new terminal, we need to pull the DeepSeek R1 model from the Ollama. So for that, if you are running a very high configure machine, you should run the command DeepSeek R1 Ollama pull DeepSeek R1, or if you are running a lighter version, lighter machine, you should try with the lighter model, which is DeepSeek R1 Gem 1.5b. So let me try with the DeepSeek R1 1.5b since my system configuration is a little lower. So Ollama pull DeepSeek R1 Gem 1.5b, and here we go, it will pull the manifest. So since I have already installed it before, the process is a bit little lengthy, and the total size of this package is 1.1 GB. So to do not waste much time on a video, I just already pre-installed. So the next command is we need to write we need to start the actual model. So to start the actual model, write Ollama run DeepSeek R1, and here we go. So this package is almost 4 GB, and that also I have already pre-installed. So the next thing is like it will ask. So let's do some real testing with the real prompt. I will write hello, how are you today? So our model is ready locally, and see how it works. and it is just like you're chatting with the any ChatGPT model or DeepSeek online. All right, so we are done. Now let's see some of the practical use cases. The DeepSeek R1 is highly versatile and it can be used for the conversational AI, develop AI chatbot and virtual assistant, generate a high quality text responses. For example, let's try this. How it works? Let we can try this prompt. Summarize the latest AI research 10 in 200 words. So let's see what is the response. Till it generate a response, we can look for the other use cases of the use case Ollama, the code assistant. We can also use it for the code assistant, writing and debugging and optimizing the code stream by different prompt. The problem solving skill, if you want to solve one particular problem, we can just take help of it. We can write our use case and it can give us the solution. So the optimizing performance with the delist models. So it is a, if we have a very, as we said earlier, if we are running a very lightweight model, we can run it on a local, we can run it on a lightweight system, and if you are running very high configured device, we can always run the DeepSeek R1 DeepSeek R1, or we can use the 1.5D. So there are a lot of other use cases like automating the command tasks with the command line script, and also we can integrate a developer tool. So let's see what is the response of, yeah, here is the response has been generated for the AI research trends. So this is how we can use the Ollama locally. Feel free to write the questions on the comment box if you have any. And thanks for watching this video.